Well, Happy New Year, everyone. We have come across to Rotorua for the day to go for a walk in the redwood forest. We're a little bit sunburnt, stepped on a bee a couple of days ago at the beach, so we're a bit sick of the sun. So we thought we'd come and hang out in the shade. We are super stoked for this year. We've got a whoa, serious athlete right there. We've got a heap of holidays planned, trips, whole lot of things planned in the next 3 months. We're looking to go to the South Island at some stage, go up north to the top of the North Island at some stage, and sort of weekend trips all around the place. So yeah, stoked for you guys to join us along the way. One other thing, I know for a while we've been promising a full tour video of the new Rosy. We're planning to hopefully finish that off in the next couple of weeks. Just been a bit busy with Christmas and New Year's and that sort of thing. So that video will be coming soon. Well, thank you for coming along, guys. Like I said, heaps more content coming in 2018. I'm really looking to sort of grow the channel and I guess start seriously thinking about living or doing this full time on the road. There's a lot of channels out there that have sort of inspired us to think more about what we do and the lifestyle that we have. So
how we want to bring up Harvey.
Yeah, exactly right. How we want to bring up Harvey and the sort of we want him to have an appreciation for this beautiful country, and so what better way than to take him out into this beautiful country. So yeah, subscribe if you're not already, and feel free to share these videos around with friends and family and anyone else you think that might be interested in seeing this more videos of this beautiful country. And we'll see you in the next video.